Welcome to GearGrinders. Sherco continues to redefine the lightweight enduro segment with the 2025 Sherco 125 4TSERS factory. Designed for riders who demand both agility and durability, this four-stroke machine delivers an exciting off-road experience while maintaining street-ready capability. Powerful 125cc four-stroke engine. At the heart of the SERS factory lies a high-performance 125cc four-stroke engine, tuned for smooth power delivery and strong torque. Whether tackling tough trails or cruising through city streets, this engine ensures a balanced mix of efficiency and excitement. Premium factory components. Sherco has equipped the SERS factory with top-tier components, including fully adjustable suspension, an aluminum frame for lightweight handling, and a high-performance braking system for optimal control. The bike also features factory race-inspired graphics, making it as stylish as it is capable. Off-road dominance, on-road confidence. With its rugged chassis, long travel suspension, and aggressive knobby tires, this bike thrives in off-road conditions. Yet, its refined engineering also makes it a reliable companion for urban riders seeking versatility and fun in a compact package. Final thoughts. The 2025 Sherco 125 4TSERS factory is built for riders who crave adventure, performance, and precision in one package. Would you take it for a spin? Let us know in the comments.